Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. First Rock Capital Holdings has raised $2.5 billion through a private placement. This is the largest equity ever raised for a new company in the Caribbean. So what will the company be doing with the cash? TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
A newcomer to the equities market, now packing enough money to propel its business beyond the average startup. Among the company's priorities,
it essentially allows us or gives us enough money, to put it simply, to execute on those opportunities that we've amassed over the last, I'd say, year. Following the success of our private placement, we have, secured some good business relationships, and those relationships will be represented when we announce some of those transactions that we've been working on.
First Rock CEO Ryan Reed says the company's unique business model played a significant role in the success of the private placement.
We saw where you had, holding companies or investment holding companies that focused on opportunities in the financial sector. We see, not enough attention and penetration in the real sectors. And so, in our minds, real assets are stable, and real assets like real estate, real assets like companies in the productive sector and so forth, we saw those as being more stable and certainly will give our shareholders the comfort, at the time when they're considering to participate with us.
As for plans, First Rock wants to go on the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
We expect to list in a couple months, or apply to list on the stock exchange, Jamaica Stock Exchange main market, and it comes down to performance. So within 2 years we expect to show strong performance, strong, robust performance.
The funds were raised with the help of Cygnus Capital, along with Proven Wealth, JN Fund Managers, and Sagicor Investments. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The inflation rate remains below Bank of Jamaica's projections up to the end of February. Data released today show consumer prices increased by 0.1% in February. It brought inflation over the last 12 months to 2.4%. The BOJ wants it to be in the range of 4 to 6%. Now, Statin says February's movement was primarily driven by higher food, oil, and newspaper prices. The Jamaican dollar continued to strengthen against the US dollar today. The greenback now costs $125.05. The Canadian dollar is now going for $93.74. The pound ended the day at $165.52, while the euro now costs $142.74. On the stock market, the JSC index gained 357 points today, while the junior market index lost 28 points. Among today's winners were Proven Investments, Lasco Manufacturing, JMMB Group 6% US dollar share, Express Catering, and Panjam Investment. On the losing side were Siboney Group, Derrimon Trading, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Lasco Distributors, and Barita Investments. And that wraps up the business day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.